iPhone not detected by Windows PC. Fixed. Step 1. Check your USB cable and port. Use an original Apple or MFI certified cable. Try a different USB port on your PC and test the cable with another device. Step 2. Restart your iPhone and PC. Restarting can fix temporary glitches. First, restart your iPhone using the power slider. Restart your PC via Start, Power, Restart. Step 3. Update iTunes, if applicable. Outdated iTunes may cause detection issues. Microsoft Store version, check downloads and updates. For Apple website version, go to Help, then check for updates. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. System updates may include required drivers. First, go to Start, Settings, Windows Update. You may now install updates and restart if needed.